I don't know if that action camera worked, but this is the tree I was up a bit ago in the bucket. We pulled on it with the bucket truck over there till it twisted. That lead right there used to be way over here, so it had to twist way around and then fall. So tied the rope around to keep the split from going way up the tree. Gives us a little more control of it. Even with the rope, the split went up, but it didn't open up. The log pretty much stuck together. See that twist? Man. Yeah, you can really see the twist in it. Cracked all the way down the roots. Alright, let's cut it up.